Thank you very much for the invitation. Ladies and gentlemen, I come from the Linz AG. This is a typical utility in Austria. Typical means vertical structures. We have electricity, we have gas, water, public traffic, sewage, telecommunications, all different areas. I will now focus in the slides our challenges regarding future internet, regarding smart services, regarding Internet of Things. The baseline is in the last 4 years, we have started different smart services in these different areas. Every area came with a new idea. We will use this or we will use that with this technology and with that technology. I will start now with what's the status here and what are these challenges from our side of a service development area. There are 3 challenges I will describe here now. The first one is a technical challenge. So you can imagine there are the different areas, the different technologies. What we now seek is not only standardization. We seek something that can define specification for services, a layer up the technological standardization what is going now. And I learned a word from the Future Internet PPP program. The word is generic enablers, so that we can use from different services, from different specification, collected parameters to generate and manage services in the future. This was technical. I would now focus on a social aspect. We have already heard very, very fine social aspects today. So we are a utility and we're now testing ICT service, running some of them in the rollout. The question is, are there actors which use this service not previous planned? Are there indirect reaction throughout our service? So this is the second challenge we have in our company, especially when there are the different areas active. The third one, commercial. The last years we were always asked, where is the benefit? Is there a business case? And we always have tried to try a generic approach, what you can do and how this will come in the end to a business case. The next few slides I will use for one service in one area, showing you these challenges regarding technology, regarding social aspect and the benefits. So what we are doing in the future is to try to get all these details so that we are able to manage the different services in the future for our company. It is a part of the electricity. In the electricity is smart homes, that it means the private customers. It is energy saving in the social housing. The objective was to design, develop a pilot and run a pilot to enable energy reduction. So in the European area, that means there were 9 other partners in this project. Here's the technology view. We have defined 4 different networks: access network, carrier network, process and office network. They are defined with different technical parameters. Here is the structure within one house. On the left-hand side is the utility. The right-hand side is the private user at home. From a technology view, Left-hand side is power line and narrowband. Right-hand side, we are using power line broadband. Also would be able other technology. This was our approach. Service description, energy awareness service. So that you're using the daily data on the internet. The second one was energy management service. So you are managing with online data, and this on your smartphone. You can also switch on and switch off in case of time, traffic, and load to manage your energy at home. This is important here on this point. There were 3 groups. One didn't have any information. The second one had information daily via internet. And the third one had online information via smartphone and also to be active with their service. So and here are the results. We measured electricity and heating, district heating. The average saving in electricity was 4.7% by those users which have one or the other service, and 6.5% by heating. And this one, the second result, I think is most impressive. The control group, which has no information, saved a little bit. The energy awareness group, which has had daily information, saved 3 by electricity and 2% by heating, always based on the year before. And this group, which had the online service, they had really high energy savings, 9 and 14%. So, and this is one of the most challenging part at all. We had different actors with different business activities. This is the view of the general service at all. Will this ecosystem be a commercial business case? It will be. It's not verified, but it will be. And here are the different actors at the bottom. There are very different business areas. You will see here, and you can see here, the tenant, which of course save 14%. They will have a return on their investment within 1 year. What we are doing in the very next future, we will go on this way and describe and specify these services. We will also run these pilots in the same in an area which I have shown you just here. Finding generic enablers I have described before. This is really challenging to us, but we hope, and I'm sure, that in case of the cooperation with other European partners, we will also get a lot of very impressive information. So far from Linz, thank you very much for your attention.